8. Now, exercise number 8 is basically easy, so you don't have to do it in your copy, means like in your exercise book. Basically you can do it directly in your book. Exercise number 8, look at the pictures and complete each sentence below by choosing the right word from the brackets. The number 1, window panes are made of glass. Cups are usually made of wood, paper, china. So tractors are made of steel. Tires are made of rubbers. Blankets are made of wool. And shirts are made of nylon. Sweets are made mostly of sugar, and bricks are made of clay. So that is your answers of exercise number 8. Now let us move to exercise number 9. Exercise number 9. Choose the right words from the box and complete the sentences below. Alright, so exercise number 9, page number 13, if you look, choose the right words from the box and complete the sentences below. In the brackets given, state in the brackets given, state what kind of nouns the words are. So basically the exercise says choose the right words from the box and complete the sentences below. In the brackets given, state what kind of nouns the words are. Alright children, now basically I will not make the box over here, it is there in your book. Look into the box and we will fill it in. Now I will do only 2 sentences, the rest you have to do it by yourself in the book as well as in your grammar exercise book. Number 1, Dash loves to play with her baby dash. A and B. Now first we have to fill in the blanks, and whatever words we use we have to say what kind of nouns we are using. Now the first blank is Sujata loves to play with her baby kitten. Alright, now the first blank is A. Now Sujata is basically what kind of noun? Proper noun. And kitten is basically a common noun. So this is how you have to do. we'll do another sentence so that you will be clear. Number 2, the naughty dash slipped on the dash and hurt his dash. So A, B, C. So there are 3 blanks, so we will name it A, B and C. The naughty, look at the picture that is made in front of sentence number 2, the naughty boy. Alright, slipped on the, we can see white ice. And we can see the boy is holding his knee. So we will write knee. So the sentence is like this: the naughty boy slipped on the ice and hurt his knee. Now what kind of nouns we have used? We have to say the boy is basically common noun. Alright. Now ice is also a common noun. And knee is also a common noun. So all the words, all the 3 words that we have used is called common noun. Now, please complete the rest of the sentences like that. Now, your assignment, your homework, I will write it on the board. Please do it in your grammar book, exercise book, alright? In your grammar exercise book. So I hope you are clear how to do this exercise and the other exercises also. If you have any problem, you can always go to videos and get your doubts clear. Now, homework. Now homework, I'll write the exercise. First I'll write the page number, then I'll write the exercise number, and how many sentences you have to do, I will write that also. Now page number 8. Exercise 1. Sentences from three to 6. Page number 9. Exercise number 3. Sentence from 3 to 10. Page number 10, exercise number 5. Sentences from 3 to 5. Page number 11, exercise number 6. Sentences from three to 10. Page number 11, exercise number 7. Sentences from three to 10. Page number 13, exercise number 9. Sentences from 3 to 10. So, this is what your homework is. Page number 8, exercise 1, sentences 3 to 6. Page number 9, exercise 3, sentence from 3 to 10. Page number 10, exercise 5, sentences from 3 to 5. Page number 11, exercise 6, sentences from 3 to 10. Page number 11, exercise 7, sentences from 3 to 10. Page number 13, exercise 9, sentences from 3 to 10. So this is your homework. You have to do these homework in your both grammar book also as well as in your English grammar exercise book. So this is all for today. Have a nice day. Please do your homework nicely. If you have any doubts, you can always contact us. Thank you very much.